People worldwide have been hearing strange noises from the sky for several years. These noises, which have been described as loud booms, metallic clangs, humming, or even trumpet-like sounds. In March 2023, a series of loud and unusual sounds from an invisible source started to flow around the world, frightening people who faced the phenomenon. Skeptics have no official explanation for this, and ufological versions of the phenomenon have dominated the online community. Some people have interpreted these sounds as signs of the end times, based on biblical prophecies that mention trumpets sounding from the heavens, but there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. The abundance of UFO sightings of various sizes and shapes has led some people to believe that these sounds are emitted by large spaceships hidden by a light refracting field. Although there is no definitive answer to the question of what these mysterious sounds are and where they come from, they continue to cause fear and speculation worldwide.